Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Search X by GDC. So this continues our indexing theme week. Indexing is basically, it will involve counting in some way. So counting distances. Anyway, let's go over the rules for this one. We do have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. So in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have search X. One digit from 1 to 6, which we have to deduce, is a mystery digit. So maybe 2 is the mystery digit, or 3 is. There's just one mystery digit. A digit D on an arrow, so let's say there was a 3 on this arrow, indicates that the mystery digit is D steps away. So 1, 2, 3. 3 steps away would be our mystery digit. Let's say 2 was our mystery digit. That would put a 2 there. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, so the best place to start, as far as I can tell, is to find arrows that are close to edges, pointing to that edge. So for example, here, whatever the mystery digit is, it can only be 1 or 2 away. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to gray any cell that cannot be the mystery digit. These cannot be the mystery digit, because they're on, like, it can't point to itself. A 1 is 1 step away. It would have to be 0, and we don't have that. And then also, behind every arrow, you can't have a mystery digit, because the arrow is pointing at the mystery digit. So behind an arrow, clearly, will not be the mystery digit. So this is pointing at this mystery digit over here somewhere. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Now, the other thing is that we never put 6 on an arrow. So 6 would be the prime candidate for a mystery digit, but we can't necessarily prove that. Now, this column needs a mystery digit. It's going to be here. I'm going to use green for where the mystery digit is. So the rest of this row is not the mystery digit. So this is pointing at 3, 4, or 5. Let's see, is there anything else? Obviously, green's on one of these two. I'm going to mark that. If this was the mystery digit, these would both be 1. And clearly that's not going to ever happen. So that's not the mystery digit. This is making this a 2 and this a 5. So that's not 5, meaning that this cannot be pointing at this one. So it is not mystery. This whole column is also not mystery because there's already a green in it. Should I just start saying green? I think I'm going to say green. Green's in one of these two. So that cannot be here. And so this is pointing at 2 or 3. This is pointing at 1, 2, 3, or 4. Might as well fill that. This is pointing at 2, 4, or 5. But it can't be pointing at 2, so that is not green. So that is green, making the rest of the column gray. So this is a 1. So we know our mystery digit isn't 1, 2, or 5. I think. Yeah, it can't be. Again, if it's on an arrow, it's not the mystery digit. This is known. This is a 3. That's a 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 5 that cannot be our mystery digit. So these are already down to 4, 6 only. And again, I suspect it's going to be 6, but we'll see. Green's in one of these two. Green's in one of these two. Oh, this is now a 2. So this is where green is. Again, it's a 4 or a 6. And so that puts the green here. And that puts the green here. Okay, so we should be able to fill all the arrows now. This is 4 away. This is 5 away, which makes the green 6. Okay, I am very much not surprised. Okay. We don't need the colors anymore. We have done all the searching. Oh, this is a 4. We just do Sudoku now, so we just have a classic Sudoku to solve. All right. Where do we want to start here? I'll just do some scanning. It's not just completing itself. All right, 4 ends up here. This is a 1, 3. I'm wondering if I can do it without marking. I probably can't, but we'll see. This column is 1 and 3. Yeah, so the 1 can't be there. So that's 3 and that's 1. Anything look into here that's helpful? 4 looks up. That's a 4. That's our 4. That's our 4. And 4s are done. Okay. I need a 1 in this row. It goes here. Finish the box with a 5. Finish this row with a 2, and this is also a 5. Right, that places 5 in this box. These two 5s look up. This 3 tells us that's 2 and that's 3 for the rest of this row. This is a 1. Finish the box with a 3. Finish the column with a 1. Here's our 2, and here is 3. So down here we need a 3, which is here, and this is our 1. And then we finish with a 5 and a 2, and we're done. All right. Cool puzzle, GDC. I mean, it wasn't a surprise that we ended up having 6 be our mystery digit, but yeah, it took a little bit to prove that. Cool. Well, let me know how you did, and if you enjoyed this, why don't leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.